What's going on? Tomorrow is a very important day in the stock market. There is the FOMC meeting. The Feds or Jerome Powell will be giving us a decision whether they will be keeping interest rates the same or whether they will be cutting interest rates. If you guys look at the current probability calculator for what the Feds are going to do tomorrow, it is predicted on December 10th that the Feds are going to cut interest rates by 25 basis points, and the chances of them cutting by 25 basis points is 87.6%, while the chances of them keeping the interest rates the same is only 12.4%. If you guys remember, a month ago, the market was really worried that the Feds were not going to cut the interest rates because the government was still shut down. If the Feds were not getting the data like unemployment data, unemployment claims, unemployment rate, job openings, non-farm ADP openings, and etc., if they're not getting that type of data, then it becomes very hard for the Feds to make a decision whether they're going to cut interest rates or not. Well, the government reopened recently, and the fear of the Feds not cutting those interest rates has been dropping a lot recently. In fact, if you guys look at the fear and greed index, we're currently sitting at 32, which is still in a fear area, but a month ago, we were sitting at 20, right? And a week ago, just a week ago, we were at 23. So you guys are seeing that the fear is slowly decreasing and the greed is slowly increasing because of the government reopening, and we're finally getting data that the Feds can finally work with. So keep an eye out for the Fed's decision. I think the market will be very volatile before and after the Feds cut interest rates, but we want to see how the market reacts after we find out whether the Feds are going to cut interest rates. I believe they will cut by 25 basis points. So let's see how the market reacts.